Introducing the Baja Raptor 2. Your adventure awaits. Your Baja Raptor 2 four-wheel will arrive in one large crate. Start by removing the metal clips from the top of the crate and set aside. Once the top has been removed, continue to remove the rest of the clips from the sides of the crate. Next, remove all of the protective foams and plastics that were protecting the unit during shipping. All of the lights and blinkers will have plastic coverings on the lens. There are straps holding the unit down located on the front and rear. Carefully remove the straps and roll the unit off the base of the crate. Attach the headrest to the seat and tighten the armrests on both sides using a 4mm Allen key. The Raptor 2 comes standard with a lap belt and 1 inch of memory foam on the seat and back. Remove the keys to the Raptor that are located on the right handlebar. Then open the rear storage, which is located underneath the seat. Lift up the seat and use the arm bar to hold the seat up. In the trunk, you will find the owner's manual, which will contain the XLR USB adapter, rear view mirrors, and the battery charger. Remove and set aside. The next step is very important. The Raptor 2 is shipped with the fuse in the off position. This must be reset so you have power to the unit. Press down on the red switch as seen here, and this will turn the unit on. Lower the seat and insert the key to test the Raptor to make sure everything is working properly. Your Raptor 2 will ship with the following: the battery charger, the XLR USB adapter, a front bumper, owner's manual, and 2 rear view mirrors. Install the 2 mirrors by screwing them into the unit. They can be secured and tightened with the jam nut. Attach the front bumper as seen here using the 4 supplied bolts. Test the Raptor's handbrake, headlights, and blinkers to make sure all are operational. The Raptor comes standard with a seat slider that can be adjusted forward and backwards for your comfort. Along with the headlight, the Raptor also comes with a front light located above the bumper. On the console, you will find the high, low, and forward reverse buttons, the blinkers, the horn, and the lights. The throttle is located on the right handlebar and is thumb driven. The USB charger will connect to the XLR port, which allows you to charge small electronic devices while driving the unit. There is also storage underneath the seat and on the tiller.